Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change theme in your Huawei Nova Y70. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Huawei Nova Y70 and you are looking for how to change theme. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Huawei Nova Y70 settings section. After click over there, you're going to find here something say home screen and wallpaper. After click over there, you're going to find here something say themes, and then we're going to see there is a preloaded theme. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I choose this Dubai font, and if I'm going to apply, immediately my Huawei Nova Y70 going to be appear new theme, which is really quite interesting. You can see all the icon etc is appear as per the new theme. If you decide to change another theme, you can go again in this settings section, click here home screen and wallpaper, click here themes. You can easily choose any theme. So within this simple way, you can easily change theme in your Huawei Nova Y70. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.